Ever feel like you're drowning in cash? Not literally, but you get it. Hey there, hustlers. Let's talk about a problem many successful businesses face: having too much cash. Now, that might sound like bragging rights, but hear me out. See, for a small business owner, keeping a ton of money sitting around can be a double-edged sword. It's great to have a healthy buffer, but excess cash can also mean missed opportunities on earning interest or not optimizing your cash flow. That's where a business checking account comes in. It's like a safe haven for your hard-earned money, but one that also offers some perks, like easy access and potentially some interest-earning opportunities. Now, you might be using a regular bank account for your business, but trust me, there's a whole world of features specifically designed for entrepreneurs with a Tide business account. But with all this talk about keeping your finances organized, a crucial question pops up: how much exactly can you deposit into your Tide business account? Let's dive in and answer that for you. Understanding deposit limits, a balancing act. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of deposit limits, it's important to understand why these limits even exist. Banks and financial institutions have to comply with regulations designed to prevent fraud and money laundering. Think of it like airport security. They need to make sure everything is on the up and up. Deposit limits act as a safety measure to identify suspicious activity. Now, these limits aren't set in stone. They can vary depending on several factors. Account type. Tide offers different tiers of business accounts, each with its own potential deposit limit. Higher tiers typically come with increased deposit capacity. Account age. Newer accounts might have lower initial limits until you establish a solid transaction history with Tide. Deposit source. There can be different limits for cash deposits, checks, and ACH transfers. Transaction history. Consistent deposits and withdrawals over time can build trust and potentially lead to increased deposit limits. Unpacking the numbers. How much can you deposit with Tide? Alright, so how much are we talking about here? Well, the good news is that Tide's deposit limits are generally considered quite generous compared to traditional banks. Here's a quick breakdown. Always check Tide's website for the latest information. Starter account. This is a great option for new businesses. Deposit limits can start around $50 and increase as your business grows. Essentials account. This tier offers more features and potentially higher deposit limits, potentially reaching $15,000 or more. Sole Proprietor Pro and Campus Decoder accounts. These specialized accounts cater to specific business needs and might have even higher deposit limits. Remember, these are just ballpark figures. The actual limits for your account will be displayed within your Tide online banking platform. But wait, there's more. Now, what if you need to deposit a larger amount that exceeds your current limit? No worries. Tide offers a few ways to handle that. Contacting support. Tide's friendly customer support team is readily available to assist you. They can help you understand your specific limits, verify deposits, and potentially raise your limit based on your business needs and transaction history. Breaking up the deposit. Splitting your large deposit into smaller, more frequent deposits can help it fall within your current limit. The takeaway: keeping your cash flow flowing smoothly. So, there you have it. Understanding deposit limits is a crucial part of managing your business finances effectively with a Tide account. Remember, these limits are there to protect your business and the financial system as a whole. By adhering to them and communicating with Tide's support team, you can ensure your cash flow stays smooth and your business keeps thriving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.